Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by exporting the sticker you want. This is why you open Telegram and save the sticker to your device. Once done, check file format. Telegram uses web often, so make sure to convert to PNG for Instagram compatibility. You need a basic image editor or converter app on your phone. Install one now. You're doing this because Instagram requires standard image files for stories and posts. Following these steps prevents format and transparency loss later. Next, convert the web file to PNG while preserving the alpha channel. This keeps transparency and looks professional. Then resize to Instagram-friendly dimensions, roughly square or up to 16:9 for some placements, and keep the file under 5 MB so uploads won't fail. Make sure to add about 1/4 to 1/2 padding around the sticker so it doesn't get clipped by Instagram UI. You do this to ensure the sticker places correctly and retains visual crispness. Finally, open Instagram and add the PNG as an image or overlay in a story, reel, or post. Use the sticker import or simply add image layers. Then position, scale, and rotate until it looks natural. Tap and hold to pin or animate if desired, and save or share. If things go wrong, troubleshooting is simple. Reconfirm PNG format and alpha channel, reduce file size, or restart both apps. If persistent, recreate the PNG with a different converter. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.